Hi everyone, for today's lesson you should have already completed the Ed Puzzle assignment on Google Classroom. We are now going to preview some vocabulary for Chapter 4, which is entitled A Warning from God. The first word that I'd like to look at is the word orphan. An orphan is a child whose parents passed away. You'll notice that often orphans will live in a home called an orphanage. The next word is fundamentalist. A fundamentalist is a person who believes in the strict, literal interpretation of a religion. And lastly, the word is vulnerable, likely to be physically or emotionally attacked or harmed. All right, that is all for our vocabulary today. Please head to Google Classroom to check out the rest of today's assignment. You will have to read Chapter 4, and when you are done, complete the comprehension questions and submit them to me. Have a great day.